Okay, so now I will show how to adjust the width of this can turning device wedge conveyor. First I put in the product that I want to convey, and as you can see it's way too wide here, it's no squeeze power at all. So what I do is that I release this knob here that holds these beams in place, and then I simply just turn the adjustment wheel here. It will make these angular gears adjust all the 4 adjustment kits here until we get some proper squeeze. A little bit more like this. I think this will be sufficient. Let's try. So we just hit the power button and see what happens. Oh, very important. Squeeze this one. If you don't use this, the beams will. So let's see. Absolutely perfect.